Hello everyone and welcome to AOB Canada. If you remember last time, we had seen together how to pay a small expenses amount with the petty cash, and also we had seen how to register, how to record all payment done by the petty cash in the petty cash register. It was about the first part of handling cash competency, which was the handling petty cash. Today I will show you this. I will show you how to prepare the deposit slip, which will be the part number 2 of the competency syllabus handling cash. Okay, so to do it, we will work on a small exercise, small practical case related to the smart schooling. We will have 4 customer payments done in our counter and 4 payments done by checks. Tasks to do for 31 March will be how to record all received payment done by our customers. The payment method will be checks and also in our counter. Second task will be how to register and to record in Sage 50 the refreshment from the bank account to the petty cash account. The task number 3 will be how to prepare manually the deposit slip, and finally the last question will be how to prepare the deposit slip by using Sage 50. Don't forget, in your handling cash exam, final ministry exam, you will have 3 tasks to do. The first one, to pay expenses by the petty cash and to register all expenses paid by the petty cash in the petty cash register. Task number 2 is what we will do together today, is how to prepare the deposit slip, how to prepare it, how to fill it manually and with the accounting software Sage 50. The last and the third task will be the bank reconciliation. Okay, for the bank reconciliation we see it in the next tutorial concerning this last part number 3. Okay, so today for the moment let's go to say our current exercise concerning deposit slip. As I told you, we have 4 payments that done by our customers in the counter and 4 payments done by checks. Okay. Okay, let's record this in Sage. Okay, so the first one will be 200 paid in our counter. The amount after tax will be 2,229 .95 cents, approved by our cashier jobs Adam. To record it by Sage 50, we go to clients and revenues, we choose create invoice, payment method cash, deposit to petty cash. Don't forget this, very important. Payment method number 1, deposit to, invoice number, invoice date, our customer, amount, and the related account. For example, here we have 4 payments by cash, by money in our counter, so we should pin this in order to avoid to repeat the same thing again. Okay, so we pin it, click here, and we start by our first customer. One-time client, we can, for example, create a new account, a new customer, called, for example, counter customers. We click on quick add. Let's go to full add. I want to configure it also tax. We go to taxes and we choose GST and QST, save and close. Good. So we go to invoice number, for example, number 1, the date 7 March, okay. The amount was 200 as seen in our exercise, 200, okay, and the amount after tax will be $229.95. We go back here. Here we choose not this one, we choose 4210 counter sales, okay. If everything is okay, to be sure that everything is okay, we click on report display revenues transaction, sorry. PT, it's okay. Tax account is okay. Count sales is okay. So we click on process. Yes, this one. And in the exam, please highlight everything already done, already registered or saved. Okay, click on OK. Let's go to the second one. The amount will be $550. After tax will be $632.36. Okay, the date 10 March. Okay, let's go back to our accounting software. We choose counter customers. We had already pinned this, don't worry. Invoice number 2. Here we have 10. The amount 550. I think everything here is okay. We click on process. If you want to take a look at the receipt, for example, the receipt, you click here and you say your invoice paid by cash. Good. So we click on process. Good. Let's go now to transaction number, payment number 3. Okay. The date 50 March, invoice number, the amount received. Let's go back to our accounting software. Counter customers, invoice number 3. The invoice date is 15. The amount is 95.50. Sorry, 50. Here 40.10. Good. And click on process. Yes. Okay. The last one will be this. The amount 222 and the amount after tax $255.24. The date is 25. Let's go back to our accounting software. We choose our counter customers, invoice number 4, the date 25, the amount 222. The sales account involved will be 4010. Okay, we click on process. If, for example, you feel or you see that you made a mistake, you should go back to adjust your mistake. We click here, adjust invoice. We choose our invoice that we want to add. I think it's this one. I think. Click here. Look, for example, here is the wrong account number. Normally not running fees. Okay, so we choose the right account number, counter sales, and we click on process. It's okay, good. I want to be sure about something. Here's one. It's okay, good. So we finished with payment done in our counter sales. So let's go to recording stage 50 customer payments received by or paid by checks. The first one, our customer Sophie Gravel, the amount after tax 1,207, invoice check number SG 111. Richard Joe, paid by check number 8 RG 222. Madeline Sam, paid by check number MS 333. And the last customer, Sonia Solo, the invoice was paid by check number SS 444. Okay, let's go back to our accounting software to record all checks payments. Okay, client or suppliers invoices, create invoice. We choose the first one, Madeline Sophie Gravel, because I think it's in rank number 1. Yes, Sophie Gravel. Okay, paid by check. We pin it. We will pin this payment method and deposit. We should choose cash to be deposited. Okay, we collect cash. We collect checks, and after we will take all checks and coins and bank bills, and we will deposit all of them in the bank, as I will show you later. Okay, we type check number is G 111, invoice number 5. Okay, the payment date I think 16 March. Okay, 16 March. The amount was 1050, and we click on process. Okay, second payment is Richard Joe 193. It was paid, this invoice was paid by check number RG 222. Okay, let's go back now to our accounting software. Richard here, yes. Check number RG 222. Invoice number 6. The date was 19. The amount 55.0, and we click on process. Payment number 3, Madeline Sam, paid on 22 March. The check number received is MS 333. So for Madeline Sam, the date 22, the amount 630, The process, before clicking on process, we should verify it. It's okay. We click on process. Check number, sorry. Check number MS33. So always you should verify payment method, deposit to, check number, invoice number, date number, and also account number or account title. So now I think it's okay. Good. Now we finished recording all received payments in our counter or by checks. Okay. Second task to do, to record the reinflation. The petty cash need a fund transfer from bank. Okay, we have check number 99. Okay, the amount transferred is 1,000. To do it, very easy. Look, you go to banking. Okay, transfer funds. Very easy. Let's take a look at the date. 33. Okay, 33. We type 33. Okay. From which account? From TD. Good. Transfer to which account? petty cash. What's about the amount? $1,000. Okay, and here we can, for example, transfer by check number 99, I think. Yes, 099, and we process. Yes, okay. We close it, this window. So when we finish recording all transactions, sale transactions paid in our counter or paid by checks, now we will try to prepare manually the deposit slip manually by using deposit slip, deposit form given by our bank. When we finish it, I will show you how to do it. We will go back to our accounting software Sage 50 Canadian edition to do the same thing, but now let's go to do it manually. Okay, manually. This is a deposit slip. Okay, we have the bank. Okay, I forgot to tell you something. Look, here we have important information here. The total of sales received in our counter is $1,221.36, but we decide to deposit only $1,000. Okay, we received in our counter from our customers $1,221.36, and we decide to take only 1,000 from this total amount received from our customers in counter, and we decide to deposit with checks in the bank. Okay, this amount will be broken down into some bank bills. For example, for bills of $5 we have 6 bills to deposit. For $10 we will deposit 8 bills. Okay, we will deposit 9 bills of $20. We will deposit 6 bills of $50. We will deposit 4 bills of $100. We will deposit 1 coin of $1, and finally we'll deposit 3 coins of $2. Okay. Okay, let's go to deposit slip. I will write here to show you. Normally I didn't prefer to use Excel, I prefer to type manually and to calculate manually, and in order to show you gradually how to fill this deposit slip and how to calculate the subtotal and the global total to deposit in the bank. Okay, so let's go. Here we will have the company name. Okay, the company name, smart schooling, smart schooling Inc. Okay, checking account, the date 31 March 2019, branch number 1234. Okay, account number 5678 even 99. The same thing here, 1234, account number 5678 even 99, the date 2019 March 21, the cashier initials or depositor initials AOB. Good. When you finish this information, sorry, here maybe something wrong. Good. Let's start by the first check to deposit. The first one, we start by the related customer. For example, Sophie Gravel. Sophie Gravel. Check. Oh, sorry. Check number SG111. Let's choose seven. Okay. Sorry, 1 second. 6. It's okay. The amount to deposit is $1,207.24. Good. The second check to deposit, Richard Joe. Richard Joe Joe. Check number RG222. And here we have the amount to deposit is $622.36, of course, dollars. Okay. Good. Okay, check number 3. Check number 3. The customer is Madeline Sam. Madeline Sam. Check number MS333. Okay, and the amount deposit is $724.35. Good. The last check to deposit is for Sonia Solo. Check number SS 444. The amount to deposit is $1,149.75. Okay. Good. After recording and typing manually, writing manually all checks that you have to deposit in the bank, you should calculate the total of all of them. Okay. The total of all checks to deposit is $3,713 dollars and 69 cents. Okay, this is the total. Now, what is the total of checks physically, checks to deposit? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we type here 4 checks. Okay, 4 checks. Put it in the middle. Good. When we finish, look here, we have check subtotal. Okay, this one should be here. This one, $3,713.69 should be here. So let's do it now. $713.69. Good. Now let's type the cash count. Okay, here we have dollars. Here look, we have dollars, normally dollars. Okay, here we have dollars, etc. Okay, just I want to mention it. Okay, how many bills of $5 we will deposit according to our exercise 6? Okay, the total will be $30. Okay, how many bills of $10 we will deposit? I think 8. Okay, the total will be $80. $80. Good. How many bills of $20 we will deposit? I think 9. Okay, 9. So we have 9. The total will be 180. $180. Good. How many bills of $50 we will deposit in the bank? 6. 6 bills. Okay, the total will be $300. How many bills of $100 we will deposit? I think 4. The total will be $4. How many coins of $1 we will deposit? 4. So if we have here $4, how many coin of $2 we will deposit? 3. Good. 3, and the total will be $6. Good. Cash subtotal 1, normally should be $1,000. Okay. Good. The total of coins deposit or to be deposited in the bank is 1,000. The subtotal of 4 checks to be deposited in the bank is $3,713.69. So the total of checks in coins will be $4,713.69. Okay, remember this because we should compare it with Sage 50 result. Okay, after recording the deposit slip. Let's take a look at this TD deposit slip sample. Okay, we have here the company name, the date, account, all required information concerning the account, the bank account, branch number, account number, date, depositor initials, checks with customers, amounts, cash count or coins, bills, etc. The total here. Okay, this is what we should do in the exam. To fill the form, you will have an empty form and you should fill it with all information asked by the deposit slip task question. Okay, now let's go back to accounting software to do it and to compare it. Okay, to do it you go to banking model. Okay, make deposit, banking, make deposit. Click on make deposit. We choose which account that we want, in which we want to deposit our money. Click on it. We select all checks. If you want to deposit only 1 or 2, you select this one. You click on add. This one, add. If you want to remove just one, click on it to remove. If you want to remove all, click on remove all. Okay, if you want to add all, you click on add all. Okay, and you click on OK, and you have here all checks that you want to deposit in your bank. Okay, for cash, okay, this is for checks for cash. We go to select from which account, from petty cash. Okay, how many bills of $5 we will deposit? I think 6. Okay, for $10, 8. For $20, 9. Okay, for $50, how many bills? 6. For 100, I think 4. And for coin we have I think 10. Okay, so as you say, you have $10. We click on apply to deposit slip, click on OK. You select the deposit date, I think 31. This is the deposit slip made or prepared by using Sage 50. Okay, so in the exam, remember, you will have like this, but empty, like this. Okay, you should fill it manually, and that you will go back to your Sage 50 to prepare like this. Okay, if you want to take a look, you click on this, and this is your deposit slip. Okay, for checks and other bank bills. Okay, I hope that this video will be useful for you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.